Welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today is an adventure. We were out shed hunting and I actually found some bees. So I'm going to try to put a box up and see if I can't become a beekeeper. Branch broke off while I was out looking for sheds that I found. I don't know how long it's been. So it's a pretty big comb. I'm going to come in below it, put a box, try to find the queen, try to cut off as many honeycombs as I can and put it in there. I'm kind of up against time because it's getting ready to sunset. All right, we got the box mounted underneath. I'm gonna try to cut it out and put it in there. Here we go. Hope that suit holds. They're gonna be PO'd. All right, day 2, we're back. 7 stings yesterday. I'm gonna try to get the queen in the box today. I got a different suit, so hopefully that should help me out a little bit, but I'm gonna try to be careful and just slowly move them in there, get them situated so they can last the freeze tonight or tomorrow night. Okay, I've got most of the hive removed. Still haven't found the queen. So what I'm doing is I'm rubber banding as much of the honeycomb as I can, and then I'm taking it and I'm putting it down in there so they'll have slots, they'll have some honey and some brood to do it. It's not the best way to do it, but it's kind of what I got going on right now. So here's the box. Got most of the hive removed. Still haven't found the queen. I'm making rubber bands, taking the honeycomb, and I'll put all these, kind of organize it a little bit better, and then hopefully watch to see where the bees go, and that should tell me where the queen is. All right, so I got the new suit, and as you can see, I was able to get the bees in the box. I'll put the top on. I got some sugar on top, hopefully to help them get through it. But anyway, hopefully we save the bees. I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna do a 5-gallon bucket sugar water feeder to try to get them to spring. So hopefully they make it. I'm gonna keep looking for that queen. I'll let you know if I find her. Thanks for watching. Thanks for going on the adventure.